Hello, Rob here with Never Too Old. Today we're at the Clear Springs Nature Preserve near Montague, Michigan, and it's a short loop hike, and we're going to take you along the way. I think the longest of the routes is like 2.5 miles. I'm just going to wing it and see where I go. So my plan is to take the spring trail, then end up coming out here on the rim trail. So we're taking a right. It's a blue blaze. I really don't know much about this trail system. I found it on All Trails when I was in the parking lot at the Flower Dune trail earlier today, and decided I'd give this a try. We're not really that far off 31, so we're getting a little bit of a traffic noise. We're going to want to continue left and go on the spring trail. We're going to leave the spring trail and go on to the Pondside Trail. Seen lots of animal sign. I've seen fresh deer tracks, rabbit tracks, squirrel tracks. Just haven't seen any animals. Thought maybe there could be some ducks on this pond too, but nothing yet. They have a few benches along the way to sit on. It's always nice. Now we're on the pond trail, which is a yellow blaze. We're going to be looking for the next trail, which is a red blaze. That, I believe, is the rim trail, and it'll take us back to the parking lot. Kind of looks like it's fairly deep out there. Nice little pond. I think instead of going up the hill, we take a left. We'll find out. Overall, I'm pleasantly surprised at this little trail system. Had nice little views of that pond. If I didn't mention it before, it is still rifle season, so I do have my orange on. I think it was actually supposed to go up that hill back there, but it's okay. We're gonna end up about the same place we want to be anyway. So if I would have went up the hill, that was the trail I needed, the red trail. I would have came out here where I originally planned. So the trail I took wasn't really any longer, probably a little shorter, but we're back at the parking lot. There's an outhouse. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, you're never too old for adventure, no matter how big or small it may be. We'll see you out here next time. Have a good day.